Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969 coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Harmony of the Seas. We're here on Deck 6 on the Boardwalk. Check this out. Yes, they actually have a real hand-carved wooden carousel on board. Up ahead you see is the landing for the Ultimate Abyss. That is a dry slide, it's not a water slide, that starts all the way on deck 16. It comes down here. And this amazing venue is the AquaTheater. Put on some wonderful shows here. I'm old, but doesn't this look fun? And if I was a kid, I would love this. It's the backside of the landing of the Ultimate Abyss. And look at this. If you're thinking that's fun, it is. Not as scary as you'd think, but lots of fun. You also see here on the Boardwalk is that they have their famous Johnny Rockets. And over here, if you like Mexican, Sabor. They have many of their own shops here as well. And Starbucks. It's not a kiosk, it's an actual Starbucks. And the Doghouse. This is a really popular place. All kinds of fancy hot dogs. Don't think, hot dogs, really. It's actually good. That ends this tour of the Boardwalk here on Royal Caribbean's Harmony of the Seas. I'm Mr. Shadow 1969. Hopefully you enjoyed this tour. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It means the world to me. Thank you, and hopefully I get to see you on board soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.